Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. No matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I've been calling out these trades and they've been hitting, right? Well, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take you in a little bit on the inside of, just one of the other ways that I see or what helps me see the market. All right. What helps me see or help me time my entries, or what helps me prepare my trade setups. Okay, I'm gonna show you one of these tips. The quote currency is the USD, the second pair, the second currency in the name, GBP USD. So go find the index for the quote currency. All right, so GBP USD on one side of the screen, and then go on Trading View on the other side of the screen and bring up the Dixie or the dollar index and compare the two. All right, so remember, look on the chart right here. You see that this is an inverted head and shoulders, right? I kind of told you that on my last video. Here's the dollar index right here, and you got the same situation forming here. So if you're ever in a situation where you're kind of confused on the currency that you want to trade, if you weren't sure, well, pretty much everybody know that this is the entry level right here, the left shoulder to the right shoulder. We want to enter in on the shoulder level, right? Well, if you're ever like kind of confused on the timing of the entry, we'll just kind of look at the index. All right, so in this situation, it's the dollar index. It may be the Japanese yen index. It may be the Australian dollar index. Take a look at the index and see the position on this candle. Let's say, hey, this thing is already rejected the 50 moving average. It's pretty much time for it to drop now. Then maybe that's the perfect time for you to buy over here. Try to line it up. And, that can be a level of confluence for you where, things is, you got multiple confirmations. All right. And just so you know, for my people that doubt the golden zone, literally that fake out literally came, just pull it up to the low, to the high point, and it literally stops at the golden zone. Like it's a real thing. At this point, you guys that watch my channel and support me, you guys should know that the golden zone is a real thing. All right. You just need to learn how to apply it. Watch my videos or come to my classes on Tuesdays in Trend Trading Academy so you can really understand how we look and use the golden zone. That's that. And the thing takes off. I told you it was going to go up. Everybody saw that. But you got to get the timing right. After a big push up, the market is consolidating. A good thing to do from here is pull out a golden zone from this high to this low. All right, let's delete that other one. So now we have price sitting at this golden zone. Now I want you to see something. This is what I noticed right here. What do you think that this is? That is a demand zone. So when price come down to this level, you got to anticipate that this will be an area of reversal. So you got to already be ahead of that. Well, obviously that's what happened. And that's why I was looking for this to reject this and come back down to this golden zone. That's all price does. It's the blueprint of the market. It's other ways to trade, but this is a very, very powerful way to trade. So go from this low point to this high point and put up this golden. I'm expecting, if price is holding here, and based on what I see here on the dollar index, okay, it's holding here. Use this index as a confirmation tool. We're literally coming down here holding. These impulse moves are getting weaker. You got one big move here, you got to pull back here. You got another big move here, pull back here. And now all of a sudden it's wicking out right at this demand zone. Now all of a sudden we got two long wicks here at this demand zone. And we already got a pullback already happening. That means that trend, that little downtrend, is weakening. So that's how you time your entries over there at on the pound dollar. I took a sell on GBP USD because I just did not trust this buy right here. Looking at the dollar index, I did not trust the buy, especially because I was looking at this too. Boom. I was looking at that golden zone right there. You got a low and you got a higher low, pulling back. So keep in mind, for all my new people, if this is going to go up, then this is going to go down. I took a sell. Now this is November, so I have no business trying to hold a trade for the half the day, for hours on hours. Get in and get out. It's November, it's the holiday season. News is always coming out. All right, market is running slow, and then all of a sudden, boom, it pops off. If you're not professional enough to be present in the market to catch that trade, it's going to be another few days before you find another one. The impulse leg is so little. The pullback is just as big as the impulse move. So I just let the stop hunts happen. All right, broke the golden zone barely. And then I took a sell. I took a sell because of what I saw on the Dixie. Right there, boom. And at that point, it's just going everywhere. 8:30, I was already done off the trade. So I took a sell when I saw these candles pushing up. When I see this double bottom here, making a higher low. All right, you got a low point here, price coming down, making a higher low. You may think that this is a sell, but the way that this is forming, I don't see a sell in my opinion, because the trend is weak now. The trend looks weak. This looks very spotty. Look at this. This looks very spotty. These red candles dropping down here like that does not make me think that I'm selling. I see a trend weakening. That's what I see. I see a trend weakening. And this is that golden zone. Price will come down and respect it. Okay? And now this is pretty much where we are now. All right, so what's next? What's next for GBP USD? That's the question. We're right in the middle of both golden zone. We're right in the middle. So we just wait. You gotta understand that, hey, when the market is not tradable, I'm not touching it. Right now, this is Wednesday, November 10th. I'm recording this. It's 1:36 a.m. Your boy's up grinding. But there's a lot of news. There's a lot of red folders that's coming. All right. So you need to let that be established. You know, let them establish it with the red folders, with the news, it's high impact news, and that's going to push the market. All right, the news is going to push the market to give us the next trade setup. All right, guys. Also, I want to thank you for showing me a lot of love over there on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, right here on the chart. Do not fall for scammers. My direct Instagram link is in the description below. Do not fall for any scammers on Instagram acting as me. I'm not trying to send you to any little weird brokers, and I'm not trying to manage your account. I'm trying to teach you how to trade, okay? So if people reaching out to you, that ain't me. All right. So look, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.